Hello, welcome to the channel. In the last video, we have covered introduction to SAP and ERP. In the today's video, we are going to start the SAP FI configuration from beginning. So as you can see in the screen, this is the day one of SAP FI configuration session. So under this, today we will be covering three topics: company creation, company code creation, assignment of company code to company. So let's understand what is company code, and how the assignment of company code to company is done. So let's understand this with an example. So let's say the Tata Group has several companies under that. But to simplify our example, we have taken only two company under Tata Group. Let's say Tata Steel Limited and Tata Motors Limited. So both these companies comes under Tata Group. So as per the SAP point of view, this Tata Group is called company and it will be defined in SAP as company. And this company will be assigned with some unique identification. Here you can see T100. So this is the unique identification for the company Tata Group. So under Tata Group, there are two companies, Tata Steel Limited, Tata Motors Limited. So as I said, this group company, that means the Tata Group, will be defined as company in SAP and it will have some unique identification. Let's say here T100. And under Tata Group, the Tata Steel Limited, this will be defined as company code, and it will have some unique identification. Let's say here T101. Similarly, Tata Motors Limited will also be defined as company code and it will also have the unique identification. Let's say T102. So in this case, the Tata Steel Limited is separately registered under the Companies Act, and Tata Motors Limited is also separately registered under the Companies Act. So we can prepare the standalone financial statement for Tata Steel as well as the Tata Motors Limited. Also, if you want to prepare the consolidated financial statement for Tata Group as a whole, so that is also possible. This company code T101 will be assigned to the company T100, and similarly this company code T102 will be assigned to the company T100. So to understand it better practically, let's go to the SAP system directly, and where I will show you how to configure company, how to configure company code, and how to assign this company code to the company. Let's click here SAP logon to log in into SAP. Again here it's asking for user ID and password. Let's enter it. Okay, now we are into SAP system. Here you can see there is one field. This field is called transaction code field, where we are entering the transaction code. So in SAP, all the functions can be executed with the transaction code. So for the customization purpose, the T code is SPRO. So once you will enter SPRO and press enter, so this screen will appear. Under this you have to click on SAP reference IMG. So once you click SAP reference IMG, lot of things you can see here. You can do customizing related to financial accounting here. Similarly for controlling, that means the management accounting here. Logistic you can do here. Sales related module is also there. You can do sales and distribution configuration here. So likewise, all the modules or different modules are listed for configuration purpose at this place. So where to configure company? So it's come under enterprise structure. So let's click that enterprise structure. Under that we have the definition. Under definition we have the financial accounting. So under financial accounting you can see here define company. So we have to define company Tata Group, as we have seen in our example. So let's define Tata Group as a company. So what was the unique identification for that? T100 and Tata Group. Okay, we'll give some address to that: 501 Golf Street. Postal code we can give any whatever city. Let's see, Pune. Country and region. So country is India. Language I'm selecting English, and currency is INR. So this basically you can give the registered office address here, and you can click on save. So once you will click on save, this dialog box will open. Here you have to define your TR. So this I will explain in detail in later session. So for now I will create my create. I have to give the description, create company Tata Group. Okay, click on save. I will continue. So data is what's saved. So in this way company is created. So now Tata Group company is available in SAP system with the unique identification T100. So one thing here is it should be noted that the Tata Group, this unique identification can be numeric or alphanumeric. So based on your decision or how your company or your client need it, so you can define it. So company is defined now. Now what is the next step? We have to define the company code. So what is our company code? We have two company code. One is Tata Steel and another one is Tata Motors. So where to define the company code? So company we have defined here. To define the company code, you have to come to this third node. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Let's execute this. So to execute this, you have this button here. You can see this. Just click this. So this screen came. Here you have to click on edit company code. You can see a lot of company code already defined is displaying here. So since we are creating our company code from scratch, so we will click on new entries. So what was the unique identification for Tata Steel? T101. Okay, and description Tata Steel. Tata Steels. City, let's say Pune. Country, region, India. Currency, INR. And language, English. Let's press enter. Let's click on save button. So once you are clicking on save button, another screen is appearing. Here we have to give little bit detailed information regarding company code. So let's see. This is company. What is the name? Tata Steels Limited. Search terms, how you can search this company code. So let's say Tata Steels. Street number, let's say 401 Golf Street, country India, and city Pune. Let's say Pune is coming under Maharashtra. So region we have to select like it's a state basically. So Maharashtra is 13. So 13 I have selected. Language is English. So other things is not mandatory. So based on the requirement like telephone number, mobile number, email address also you can enter and you can save it. So let's click OK, and it's this TR screen is again appearing. I will change the description. I will click OK and OK. So here you can see this message, data was saved. So it means the company code T101 Tata Steels is also created. So what is the other company code? That is Tata Motors. So let me go to the PPT again. Okay. Here the Tata Group we have created T100, Tata Steels Limited, which is the company code T101 also we have created. Now the next company code is Tata Motors Limited. Let's create this also. Again same way, click on new entry T102 and Tata Motors Limited. City, let's say Pune, country India, currency INR, and language English. Let's press enter, and when I'm clicking save, this screen is appearing where we have to enter details of the company in detailed manner. This can also be saved. Okay, and now click on data was saved. You can see here data was saved. So now what we have done, we have created this Tata Group company T100, Tata Steels Limited, which is the company code T101, and Tata Motors Limited T102. So now we have the full information related to company creation and company code creation. Next step is that this company code which we have created T101 and 102, we have to assign this to the Tata group so that this company code, this two company code is linked with the company, which is here Tata group. The definition is done. Now it comes to the assignment part. We have to assign the company code created to the company. So it comes under financial accounting. Here the first one, assign company code to company. So we have created two company code T101. Let's search that by clicking position. T101, here you can see. So this company code we have to link with T10, that is Tata Group, and T102 is Tata Motors Limited, so that also is part of Tata Group. So I am linking this with the Tata Group. So company I am assigning to two different company code. The first one is Tata Steels, as you can see the description here, Tata Steels, and second one is Tata Motors, and both these company codes are belonging to the same group of companies. So the group of companies defined as company T100 and it is assigned here. Let's save this. Assignment of company code to the company. So here you can see the message data was saved. So now we are done with all three parts like company creation, company code creation, assignment of company code to company. So today's session I am going to end here. So in the upcoming session I will be starting chart of account definition. I will explain what is the purpose of chart of account, what does that mean, and how to configure in the SAP system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.